friends. And if this world keeps turning our way,
Woo!
and our way.
So that's the rice field shelter. And there's this big field. That's a really good view. Wow. So we're gonna stay at the rice field shelter tonight or tent outside of it, depending on if there's room. Looks like we're setting up tents. And Jukebox has a friend who's joining her for the next few days, and we're meeting her here. So we packed out some marshmallows and things just to make it a fun night. Wow, this is such a cool shelter.
Can't find it. It's truer, it's lighter, it's cleaner, it's faster. And I guess the property, I don't know, the information.
So we woke up in a bit of a hurry this morning. It's not supposed to start storming until tomorrow, but yep, woke up on the top of the ridge to thunder and, best of all, lightning right out here. So we all packed up super quickly, bailed on the ridge, and ran to the shelter, where we are all now repacking everything and waiting this out. Well, it was bound to happen at some point. It's raining officially while hiking. This is the hardest I think it's rained while hiking since Georgia. So there we go. Can't always be sunny. How's the water?
It's a little cold.
Yeah? Alright, so tomorrow it is supposed to rain super hard. And it rained this morning, which is a surprise. And the rest of the day has been like perfectly blue skies, sunny, and in the 80s. But tomorrow is going to be the start of some heavy thunderstorms. So we are doing 25 miles today so that tomorrow we can do 12 and hopefully get to a shelter early and wait out the storms. So we're at the tail end of the 25 right now, and I'm looking forward to going to bed. I'm sleepy and I'm tired. Okay, so it is 7 a.m. now. It's not super early, but we are out an hour earlier than we usually are. And got a big climb to start the day with. So we're going to try to get that part out of the way before the rain starts. And see how soaked we get by the time we make it to the shelter. Oh yeah. I can't really see it that well.
I like my dad. Keep me in secret.
Last night it rained a lot, and it started about a mile before I got to the shelter. We passed these really cool like stone piles. I wanted to take a video of it, but I couldn't because it was raining so hard, and all of our stuff got soaked. So I'm still trying to dry out my shirt. All of my socks are wet. My shorts are wet. My shoes are wet. Everything I own is pretty much wet. I don't know if you can see it, but right there. Oh, it just went behind the rock. Right there. Oh, now it's out the other side. There is a chicken on the road. Why is there a chicken on the road? Come on, chicken, cross the bridge, cross the bridge. Oh. Alright, Izzy and Doc have seen the chicken.
Trying. You guys have trail names?
I'm shoeless.
Shoeless?
Good morning, everyone. We are at the Pickle Branch shelter, and today is Easter. The Easter Bunny did not come, unfortunately, and we are going to Catawba today, and Ron Bell from Mountain Laurel Designs is going to take us all to the Homeplace for lunch. We are just about at 700 miles right now. I think we're at 699.9. About to do Dragon's Tooth. So fun.
Last night was the green paintbrush of spring is slowly making its way to the tops of the mountains. The end.
Dragon Tooth. Made it.
It's pretty dope. I'm gonna probably get the Dr. Scholl's to go in. Oh, that's bad.
There you have it. Dock on the top of the Dragon Tooth.
Made it.
And the views.
It's not that bad. Now that.
That what?
I feel like it's really unnecessary to throw these, but
Try hitting him.
no! I'm trying to get it to stick. Javelin. Now that's what I call music.
That's so graceful.
I held on for dear life. Row. And did it like
It started out in my basement.
Yeah, it's like
Just me in my basement.
and you were just making your
And
own.
then I outsourced to my neighbor.
That's awesome.
How ready are you, Doc?
Words can begin to express the joy that's overcome me.
I'll be back.
Okay. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everyone.
Let's do it.